Hi everyone, in this video, let me show you how to change default search engine in Google Chrome. So in here, this is our Chrome. Just tap the three dots on the right side and tap for settings. Once you're already on your settings, on the left side, tap search engine. And then here, tap manage search engines and site search. Now under it, just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see all the search engines that you have connected with your computer. If you wish to add another search or another site search, you can just click add here. Now to change our default setting, Google is in default, but if you want to change another site, for example this one, tap these three dots and click make default. So the moment we open another tab, now DuckDuckGo is showing because we make this site as our default. And let's try searching, and everything is from DuckDuckGo site. Now if we want to go back and change to make Google as our default, the same process. And then if we're going to open another or a new tab, Google search bar is now showing on our screen. So that's how easy and fast the process is. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.